Hi everyone. So today in this video we're going to see how to manage billing options in SeekaHost. So recently we have brought the options like so the customers can add their card or their PayPal accounts so that they can easily manage their subscriptions and their billing things. So let me show you like how to add the card and how to add the PayPal accounts and also like how to set the default payment method so that on each subscription or like on the each renewal, so the payment will be deducted automatically from the respective payment methods. Let's move on. So actually in the top of the header, so you can see the option billing. So under billing, there is an option like payment methods. So just click on it. Okay, so here you can see the two payment methods like that you can add it. So one is like add new credit card or else add PayPal account. So here, so you can add any one or both. So like it's up to you. So first let me add the credit card. Okay, so here you can enter the description so that you can easily remember like what is it actually, and you can enter the card number, expiry date and CVC. So the billing address you can confirm whether it is same or else you can add the new billing address as you need. Okay, so now I have added my card and I'm going to give save changes. Once you give save changes, so the system automatically validates the card, and if needed, so you will be asked for OTP or any other additional verification things. So if not, the card will get added successfully. Okay, so for me, the card got added successfully. So as currently there is only one payment method is available, so it is considered as a default one. So I'm going to add another payment method which is like a PayPal account. Click on add PayPal account. So now it redirects and it will show like a link a new PayPal account. Yeah, so here you can see something like the invoice section. So here you are seeing this one because it is for the PayPal verification process. So you will be deducting like 0.01 cents. So either it is a euro, pounds or USD based on your currency. So now I'm just proceeding with this pay with PayPal. So you have to sign in with your PayPal account. Okay, once you logged in into your PayPal account, it will ask like the payment method which you have to proceed. Like if I have multiple cards in my PayPal account, so it is asking me to choose the option. So I'm choosing my card and I'm giving like agree and pay now. So now my card needs like additional validation. So it will ask me for further verification. So which I will be doing it. Okay, so now the PayPal account is added, so it will not get completed. So it is not completely added. So only after you click on make payment, so this process will get completed. So only after processing a minimum payment amount, then only the PayPal account will get linked to it. So I'm going to click on make payment. Okay, great. So now you can see like my PayPal account is added as well. So the card is there, PayPal account is there. So now as we have added the card in the start, so it is showing as default at the moment. So if I click on the set as default for the PayPal, so it will set the PayPal account as a default one. So it is up to you to add multiple cards of the PayPal account, and you can choose like which one you have to set it as a default one. So also one more thing is like, so the amount which you have processed for the PayPal account, so it will get automatically added to your credit balance. I can show you here. Okay, so here you can see the credit balance 0.02. So I have 0.01. So it got added to it and you can see your credit balance here. So in your account, if you want to know like where to see the credit balance, you can see it up here. So this is how you have to add the PayPal, the payment methods, and you have to manage it. Hope the video is clear. So if you have any questions or something, so you can raise a chat or support ticket to the SeekaHost and the team will support you on that. Thank you. You can show your support by like, subscribe and don't forget the bell icon.